Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Chinny. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing my passport. Oh yeah guys, first off, let me introduce to you guys my fellow influencer. Okay, so there will never be a day that I won't show my fellow influencer on the screen. Say hi guys. All right guys, so actually I'm gonna break down a lot of things in this video, like the process and how long it took us, how long it take the passport or pastor wanted to arrive, and all that you need to know about it. Okay, so if you're interested, then keep watching. Nigerian embassy room has changed. The experience you guys had so many years ago is no longer like that now. They have totally changed, and it gives me joy. Okay, so it makes me happy seeing those things. We book an appointment for this passport. We book it a month before. Okay, so why we book it like that was because I'm trying to target when the school is limiting some activities, because during the time we wanted to go, they have so much activities in the school and which will affect my kids. So I push it to the moment where I know that so many activities would have been reduced. So when we booked the appointment, we made the payment online and all of that. Salute. The agent told us the date that we'll be coming to Rome, and that fateful day we went, and to God be the glory, my better half was with me. So when we get there, I was so amazed, like nobody is there. People that are coming are the ones that have an appointment. If you don't have an appointment, you won't come to embassy. I was like, are you serious? Because I could remember 5-6 years ago when I went there was a lot of pregnant women, babies, so many people out there. Some shouting, children are tired and all of that. So such experience, oh my God. I was so amazed. Even till 9 o'clock, some people, only few people start coming. I asked my better half, like, what's going on? This is not like the embassy I know. And he told me that things has changed. Like, I am so excited to say I'm proudly Nigerian embassy Rome has made me proud. Like, guys, you guys will, if you have been there before, you will understand what I'm saying. If you have not been there before, you will not understand what I'm about to say. So those experiences are what I saw, and I'm like, are you kidding me? So when we get there, they told me to meet my agent. I meet my agent, and my agent told me that I should get inside, that all is fine, and he went to submit our paper immediately. Once it's 9 o'clock, they open. By 9 something, we started doing devotion. Okay, so we started praying. After prayers, about 15 or 20 minutes thereabouts, and they started calling people. So before they start calling people, after the prayer, they asked who have an appointment paper should present it, that they must have number, and they showed the example of the numbers. Okay, when they started calling the numbers, so I was confused, because my agent told me that I should never worry about anything, that all is sorted out, that he has already submitted our paper, so that we should listen to our names. So I was very surprised, guys. Okay, so I was really relaxed, like, what's going on? Okay, so when you don't have your appointment paper in your hands and your agent have done it, and they're like, if you have an appointment paper, submit it now. So I'm like, I don't have an appointment paper in my arms. It's with my agent. Okay, so he helped me actually. When he saw, I didn't know he has already submitted it, so I was looking for him. So later I went and sit down. One of the workers told me to go and sit down, that they will call me that he has already submitted the paper. So I came in and I sat down. Like, guys, I can't say that we are up to 20 that day, because including children, but there was less people. Like, the thing that baffles me is that there was so much less people to compare with the 6-5 years ago that I went there. Like, guys, it wasn't funny. Immediately they started calling people, and they call people. They now have two cameras, so the one for 10 years and the one for 5 years. And I think a boy occupies the one for 5 years and a girl occupies the one for 10 years. So there are two cameras instead of one person doing both. So there are now two workers that occupies that. That's amazing. So when the 10 years one is busy with the 10 years and the 5 years one is, and capturing was amazing, because I already have everything is in there. It's just a renew. Okay, it's only baby that I did new one, so everything was perfectly easy. There was no stress from anywhere. So around 11 o'clock they called us in, and we get inside there. Actually, it wasn't me they called, it was my second baby they called. So all of us went inside. They capture her, she signed. They capture my elder daughter, she signed. They capture me, I signed. Then they capture baby. Yeah, baby cannot sign, the baby don't have hand to sign. So that's how they capture us. And within 9 minutes after 11, we are out from inside the place. Then 10 minutes out after 11, we started leaving the premises immediately. And by that time, when we came out, so many people have gone, because they called people. It's like they called three or something like that. So when they are attending to one, the other one will wait. That's how they call in. When we came out from there, they now tell us to get a bus, the bus that will take us back to Tributina. Okay, Tibutina. So we take the bus, but before the bus come, it took us more than 30 minutes. It took us more than 30 minutes to wait for bus outside. And to God be the glory, that day it was raining as well. So I was confused, praying in my heart, asking God, please do a miracle for us. Do not let the rain fall. Because of my kids, I don't have umbrella. And beside, it's not raining in Sicily, so I don't know why it's raining in Rome. So later, then the bus, it's not that there is no bus there, no, there is bus, but the particular bus that will take us back to Tibutina wasn't coming. So when it finally came, we get inside the bus. Then the bus now take us to Tibutina, and we stayed there. So instead of sitting down there like a tired soul, I took my kids. We went to have some walk to explore Rome, like walk around the Tibutina, and as well to be very close because of the bus. So when we finish our walking, exploring, having fun, and we came back to the park again. When we arrive at the park, we now sit for some minutes, and our bus came. We get inside the bus, and our bus gets moved and bring us back home, like so quick. I really appreciate that, and I give them applaud for taking such decision, making sure that people with children that came did their passports fast and go back to their various houses. I am so proud of them for such changes. And again, this was last week Monday, guys. We left Sicily last week Monday, and our passport was done last week Tuesday. That is when we did the capture. Like, guys, this is unbelievable. Nigerian passport you will do, and after so much time, they will tell you that it's out. Day before yesterday, today is Thursday, day before yesterday was the day it complete, exactly the same Tuesday. Our agent sent me the pictures and told me that our passport is out. I jumped in jubilation. I was so shocked. Like, when we were going, my husband mentioned such a thing like passport now stay 1 week to come out. There is no such thing anymore as 2 months, 1 month, or 3 months. So exactly that day that it completed 1 week we captured, that was the day our agent sent me the thing and told me that it has come out, I saw the passport. I was so amazed. And yeah, so let's talk about something. There is so much changes in Nigerian embassy that so many of you out there didn't know. Okay, so here I'm here to give you guys what they said inside there and what actually happened. Then now we can unbox the passport. Okay, number one is that Nigerian embassy put the law Nigerian, okay, NIN. So if you have your NIN, you pay for passport, you book an appointment, passport appointment with NIN, your passport is coming out with the new Nigerian passport. I know that this new Nigerian passport has been existing since more than 2 years or 2 years ago, okay? So it is called enhanced passport. So this enhanced passport is the new Nigerian passport, no more e-passport. So if you book an appointment, renewal appointment or new appointment with no NIN, your passport will come out the old passport, which is the e-passport. But if you book an appointment, you have your NIN, you book a passport appointment with your NIN, your passport is definitely coming out with the new Nigerian passport, and they will write it there because according to the picture that our agent sent to me, I saw our NIN code, okay, on top of it, which means, and it's so different from the one we have, and which I'm going to show you guys the two differences so that you'll be able to know. You will see the old one and you will see the new one. That is what they said inside. So if you have NIN and you book passport appointment online or wherever you book it, they request for it, you add it, your passport is definitely coming out with the enhanced passport, which is the Nigerian new passport, okay? Then if not, it's coming out with the old passport. And according to them, they say that e-passport can, you know how Nigerian behaves, this is their language, you know how Nigerians behave, they can wake up one morning and say that e-passport does not exist anymore, it is now enhanced passport. So that is why it's advisable for everybody to do Nigerian Nigerian NIN, then so that you'll be able to use it in your passports. If eventually they cancel e-passport, you'll be able to know that you have your enhanced passport. So now let's get in and unbox the passport. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead to unbox it. This packaging is so beautiful, and I wouldn't want to, you know. This is how it is inside. Okay. Ooh, so beautiful. The package is just like an Amazon little packaging. If you don't have so much going on, package it like that. This is so good. All right. So here we have this. So inside the envelope, I'm going to bring it out. Oh, wow, this is so beautiful. This is 4 passports. I don't know what is this, but I'll read it later. I don't know what it is. Okay, guys, so this is the passport here. I've been dreaming, imagine. This is the new passport, guys. This is how it looks like. Okay, it's still the ECOWAS, but I'll show you guys the inside. So cute, huh? So let me show you guys the old passport. This is the difference. This, you see how the quality, this is the old, this is the new. This is the difference. This is why it's called enhanced passport. Let me show you guys something. You know, in the old one, when you open it, is your picture and all of that, you will see. But in this enhanced passport, when you open it, it's not like that. This is how it looks like. So cute. Okay, so I think if you open the second page, then you will now see your own passport, exactly what I just said. Then over here, you will see this. So that's how it looks like. It looks so beautiful. The fact that when you open it, you can't see your picture anymore makes it amazing. And the body It's very thick, unlike the old one that is not. All right, guys, so that's the end of our passport unboxing, okay, if that makes sense. So if you really enjoy my little information about passport, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe, the subscribe button, and of course I'll see you all in my next one. Yeah, so have a blessed day and I love you guys.